HiRise is a multifunctional, weight-bearing CT system that can scan up to the hip and pelvis. The scan region for the pelvis, hip, and knees is set outside of the system using external markers, eliminating the need for a scout CT. The patient steps into the system and places both feet on the platform. The gantry raises to the height set by the external markers. A knee stabilizer and 2 handlebars help the patient stay still during the scan. The entire hip volume is captured in one 360-degree gantry rotation. The total scan time is about 30 seconds. X-ray is firing for about 13 seconds during a hip scan. The gantry then lowers to the knee position, and the gantry rotates to capture a second volume, and then down to the foot position to capture the last volume. The gantry flips 90 degrees for upper extremity and supine scanning. This transition takes about 90 seconds. A lead shield protects the patient from radiation exposure. Once flipped, the gantry height can be adjusted for the patient. The patient places the region of interest within the field of view border printed on a hand positioner. An upper extremity scan takes about 30 seconds, and X-ray is firing for about 4 seconds. Non-weight-bearing scans of the knees and feet are performed with an accessory chair that supports up to 450 pounds. The accessory chair is included with the HiRise. The patient sits on the chair at ground level. It is then raised via an automated foot pedal to gantry height. Lasers ensure correct positioning.